At BIL, we offer many different sack truck options. One of these designs are our folding models, which make the perfect manual handling aid for shorter distance transportation and where storage space is limited. Folding sack trucks are designed to assist with movement of product over short distances, including within office environments, home use, or short delivery from vehicle to premises. The unique design of a folding sack truck means that it can be folded totally flat, and weighing as little as 5 kilos means they are easy to lift and store within a vehicle or in office premises with limited storage. Opening and closing the folding range is simple. To open, use your foot to bring the toe plate towards the ground. The folding mechanism is designed to work together with the wheels, locking both these and the toe plate into position for use. To extend the handle, simply press the button located on the centre of the mainframe and pull the U-loop handle up and into place. Release the button and the sack truck is ready to use. To close the sack truck, begin to lower the mainframe to the floor, pulling the frame down towards the toe plate. When the toe plate and wheels are disengaged, carefully fully close the toe plate, and this will naturally close the wheels flush to the frame. Finally, press the central button on the mainframe and push down on the U-loop handle to make the sack truck fully ready for storage. You can be sure our folding range of sack trucks are a durable yet cost-effective solution to suit your business needs. If you would like to know more about the range, please refer to our user guides or contact our sales team directly. We are more than happy to help.